Alright, greetings and welcome to Crimzo Classroom once again. Today we have a very wonderful topic we want to look at, that is algebra. In the algebra, we are going to look at grouping of like terms. We're looking at grouping of like terms. We have number one question, 2x minus 5y minus x plus 2y. The number 2, 32a plus 6f minus 12e plus 4f. So let's start from number 1. 2x minus 5y minus x plus 2y. So here, look at what we are going to do. Collect like terms. Collect like terms, that is, we have 2x. Which other number has x? We have only x here. We group them together, and the coefficient of this x is 1. Then we have y. We also have y. We group them together. Look at it. We have 2x, then minus x minus 5y plus 2y. So we look at here, like I said before, the coefficient of this x is 1. So what it means is 2x minus 1x. So we have 2x minus 1x will give us, it's meant to give us 1x, but we will not write the 1. That is mathematics rule. So we write only the letter, that is x. Then here, minus 5y plus 2y. It means you are owing 5 and you have 2. So out of the 2 you have, you use it and pay out of the 5 you are owing. So you are still owing 3. That is why minus 5y plus 2y will give us minus 3y. So this is the answer to number 1 question. So we are going to solve number 2 question. Number 2 said 32e plus 6f minus 12e and plus 4f. So the same here, we collect like terms. We have e, 32e, and we have 12e minus 12e. We group them together. We have plus 6x and plus 4f. We group them together. So we have 32e minus 12e plus 6f plus 4f. We continue. 32e minus 12e. The same thing as 32 minus 12. 32 minus 12 will give us 20. That is 20e. Then here, plus 6f plus 4f. You have 6, you also have 4. So the total you have is plus 10f. So this is the answer to number 2 questions. Thank you. Always remember to like our channel, comment and share. And if you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crimzo Classroom. Thank you and see you in the next class.